Have you heard the latest buzz about ABC's upcoming renewal announcements? Uh, just last week, ABC renewed two of its most popular comedies. Season two of High Potential will bring even more puzzling mysteries for Caitlin Olsen's Morgan to solve. But what has everyone talking as the potential renewal of another beloved sitcom, Shifting Gears? Hosted by the legendary Tim Allen, Shifting Gears has quickly become a fan favorite in the realm of sitcoms. It's a story of camaraderie, laughter, and the ever-changing landscape of life, and um, and with its stellar cast and captivating storylines, um, it's no wonder viewers are clamoring for more C. The ratings speak for themselves. Shifting Gears has consistently drawn impressive viewership, surpassing even its popular predecessor, The Connors. It's as if Tim Allen has become the Tom Brady of sitcoms, effortlessly guiding his team to victory. Inside sources suggest that ABC is eager to extend the show's run, and it's easy to see why, with a successful first season under its belt and a cast that seems to be having the time of their lives. Uh, Shifting Gears has all the ingredients for a long and prosperous future on small screen. So will Shifting Gears receive the green light for season two? Uh, the suspense is killing us, but we're sure that ABC will make the announcement soon that in the meantime, let's raise a toast to the sitcom that's making Wednesdays a little more cheerful, like the character Tim plays. I'm not a mechanic, but I do fix broken spirits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.